2 BHK 1323 square feet sample flat in Vajram Thanisandra Main Road. You got this foyer area. It is a 5.1 by 8.7. This is a spacious living room. You can check the L size living room. This is on Thanisandra Main Road. Price starts from 1.06 CR. You got one attached balcony. You can check the size of balcony as well. This is your whole living room. You can check when we fit a sofa, a dining area. You have a bit space left over here, and an open kitchen with a separate utility area. You will get. You can check the size of this utility as well. Utility is 710 by 66. Kitchen size you can check here. We have total 300 almost unit over here, 2 and 3 BHK. This is a sample flat of 2 BHK, common washroom. The size for washroom is 5.1 by 8.1. This will be your first bedroom. You can check the size. Sitting kind of window you will get. This is the master bedroom. You can check the size, 1010 by 13.8. Attached balcony. Walk-in wardrobes and attached washroom, same size.